Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see a app called language learning app, which is Hellotalk. Maybe most of you already know. The one good thing about this app is I actually tested this app. It is free of cost. Means there are premium services also, but there are free services too. Means we can learn with communicating with other people all over the world. For example, first of all you need to open the Play Store and just install this app. You can open the Play Store and just search as Hello Talk, and this is the one you need to install. Okay, when you click on open, this is the home interface. You'll see, yeah, this is the home interface. You'll see, actually, for the first time when I open this app, I choose like learning Spanish language. So the recommendations will be something like all these Spanish speakers who want to learn English. Means I said I'm a native English speaker, and even though I'm not, I just want to learn Spanish. That's the reason I got the recommendations like people who are looking to learn English and who already are the native Spanish speakers. Likewise, you can choose your language and the language you want to learn. And at the top here, menu all, serious learners, nearby, city, gender. You can just filter all those results, and there are a lot of people available. All that you need to do is you just need to wave your hand at someone, so that just like the social media request, the request will be sent to them that you're interested to communicate with them. So once you you get a reply, so you'll be clicking on this Hello Talk. Means this is like the inbox, as you are already familiar with all the social media apps like Facebook, Instagram and everything. When you click on this Hello Talk, and here you'll see all the chat list, and here you can communicate with them. And there is a calling feature also. Once you become friends, you can try to learn the respective languages which you want to learn. And there is paid service also. Means uh, not everything is free. For example, for a day there are 10 requests allowed. If you want the 11th request to communicate with someone, it's asked for the premium service. But I felt like, yes, if you got someone to talk with, you can try to learn that particular language. And please do comment who else are already using these sort of apps, and you can just comment whichever the app is good. Means if you have experience previously, you can just comment down that app, so that it will be useful for the other people. Yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.